some tomato sauce. I'm gonna add about 3/4 a cup of hot sauce. How about a glug or two of that molasses?
A glug or two?
And then another glug of the Worcestershire sauce.
I love Frank's Red Hot.
Is that a glug?
I love
Is that
that.
enough?
Yes,
Delicious.
that's a
and
good glug.
Worcestershire, yum.
And I am such a fan of Frank's. It's my go-to
Red
hot
Hot
sauce.
is my go-to.
You know what's cool about this too is normally, you know, when you have tailgate foods for football, it's like chicken wings or you have like fried chicken tenders, but this is kind of an interesting
this
take
one's
on
a little
using
healthier,
that.
right?
It is.
It's not deep fat.
It
great.
is. Now, Rachel, do you want to season that chicken for me? And let's talk about the chicken quickly. This is chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs.
Skinless chicken thighs, always affordable, really buttery tasting.
Instead of using the breast,
Instead of using wings too, right?
Exactly, they're a little bit heartier, dark meat, great
No
for
bones.
this. That's gonna go right into our slow cooker
that
here.
in there.
Thank you very much.
Got one that's all cooked down.
This is gonna go for about 4 to 6 hours on low heat or a little less on the high heat. Once it's done, you're gonna have this yummy shredded chicken that's in this delicious buffalo sauce. And to make these sandwiches, I've got a blue cheese aioli that's gonna go right on the bottom there.
You want it on the bottom?
Yeah, let's go on the bottom.
Gotcha.
And then I'm gonna take some celery leaves and put those right on top. Just a few like that. And then let's get this chicken right.
I'm gonna give this to Jess. He never gets to eat.
I was gonna say, you're talking about crying earlier and football players crying.
I know.
I'm about to start crying.
I know, you never get to eat anything.
I mean, who doesn't want to eat that?
Look, it's so tiny, but whatever.
You can have like 3.
You could have a bunch of it. You know what? Women will love this because it's not deep fried.
Right.
It's figure friendly.
Yes.
Really
And you
good.
still get all of those great wingy flavors.
It tastes like wings, but it's a little healthier.
It is a little healthier.